Hey guys, my name is Nick Reed. I'm one of the owners of Freedom Eco Wash. I own it with my wife Hannah. This is Jared. He's our operator. He'll be out in the communities, actually out there cleaning and disinfecting all of these trash cans. We started looking for companies to partner with. We did actually reach out to multiple companies. What we were looking for is not just someone that can sell us a truck, because anyone can do that. We were really looking for more of a connection and actually looking for someone to partner with us to help us grow this business instead of just selling a truck to us. And that was one of the biggest factors when we made a decision of who to go with. My wife and I wanted to start this cleaning business. We've actually have been looking for running and starting a business together for some time. We actually found this on TikTok, believe it or not, of all places, and we were immediately intrigued. The best part about this business and why we're so intrigued and passionate about it is helping our communities become cleaner, safer, and this is really one of the best ways to do it. We really believe in keeping Colorado clean, and this is a way for us to put our money where our mouth is and actually go out and do it. The biggest advice I'd want to give to anyone looking to start a business, any business, is right now is the best time. A lot of times I hear people say, well, the economy, well, this or that. There's always going to be something going on that's going to make it inconvenient. The best thing to do is just do it right now. Just dive in. And honestly, this is a very rapidly growing industry, and I do recommend people getting into this when it's ground level, when it's new, and you can get into these cities and you're the only one doing it, and really grow it rapidly.